Good morning class here. Welcome to English grammar period. LFCS online class. Dear students, presently revision work is going on. During this period, every topic belonging first semester is being taken one by one and being explained very deeply for your betterment. देखिए इस क्रम में जो है एक एक टॉपिक का रिवीजन किया जा रहा है और रिवीजन के टाइम पर कुछ और डीप चीजें आपको बता दी जा रही हैं. Please be concentrate and listen those points. Today essay writing topic essay writing is going to be taken. What essay writing? Just I told you the topic essay writing is going to be taken today. First of all, you should know what is essay. What is essay? What is essay? Essay, if you want to know about this, essay is an attention, in my words, as a essay is an attention to reveal the thought about any topic. essay होता है क्या है? एक attention होता है, प्रयास होता है, विचारों को व्यक्त करने का प्रयास होता है किसी भी टॉपिक के बारे में. Now come to know types of essay. How many types of essay? Mainly there are two types of essay only, but it is said that more than two types, as just I'm telling you. Types of essay. There are two types of essay. First one, descriptive, and second one, narrative. According to me, there are only two types of essays, but in your book, as if you have, then you are seeing five types of essays. These two types of essays are divided into five types. How? Descriptive, narrative. What is? According to this topic, as जब आप डिस्क्रिप्टिव की बात करते हैं, essay और narrative essay. डिस्क्रिप्टिव ये किसी भी टॉपिक को डिस्क्राइब किया जाता है, नॉट एनी टॉपिक, किसी भी एनिमल्स, ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, मिनरल्स, फ्रूट्स, एनीथिंग, उसको डिस्क्राइब इज वर्णन करना, डिस्क्राइब बिल्कुल डिस्क्राइब करना। नैरेटिव नैरेट करना, कोई भी इवेंट होता है, कोई प्रोग्राम होता है, उसको नैरेट किया जाता है, उसका लोग अपने वर्ड में उसको डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, नैरेट करते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज नैरेटिव एसे। इसी चीज को ही आप इस पे जो थर्ड फोर्थ बोला गया, रिफ्लेक्टिव एसे, एक्सपोजिटरी एसे, ये सब चीजें इन्हीं से बनी है। यस, वन यू कैन सी इमेजिनेटिव, थर्ड वन वी कैन टेक थर्ड वन, imaginative essay. Here we imagine any topic, then we express our thought about that. So these are mainly, now you can see three types. Okay, revealing 4 and 5 from this. Essay, just I told you definition types, इसका definition और types मैंने बताया। Now please take few topics and practice to express your thought. Some you can take yourself, some I am giving you as one topic. Before worksheet I had explained and then given, but cleanliness. Cleanliness begins at home. Homework. Essay on this is your homework. You have to write essay on this topic. Experience is the best teacher. Thanks everyone.